lovely viewers, welcome to your channel EasySaminJewelery. We are here with a new project of an elegant blue and silver earrings, beaded earrings. We have picked 4 crystal blue crystal beads 4 mm. After making double knot, we have started adding 3 silver faceted seed beads A2. We will pass through 4 mm and add 3 each time. Total 4 times we will add 3 seed beads, silver seed bead A2. Now after adding 4 times, we pass through from one middle seed bead A2. We are adding here 1 seed bead A2, 1 crystal 4 mm and 1 seed bead A2, passing through one middle previous seed bead, and we will do the same process 4 times. 4 times. Now we have added 3 seed beads each time 4 times. Now we will start next round. We are adding 3 seed bead more. We will add it from passing through one middle seed bead A2 of previous round. In this way we will add 4 times. Each time we will add 3 seed bead silver seed bead A2. And now for the 4th time we are adding it. In this way we will complete this round. Now this round is completed. Have a look of this completed round. Now we have to add 3 more crystal beads 4 mm blue crystal beads, passing through previous one crystal bead. And now in this next round we are adding 1 seed bead silver A2, 1 silver monty 3 mm and 1 seed bead A2. We will pass through 1 crystal bead of previous round. Here we will add these 3 beads, and now 2 seed bead and 1 monty. Now we have added 4 seed beads, silver seed beads, passing through 1 crystal bead. In these 4 seed beads we will add later earring wire. Now we are passing through previous round seed beads, and here we have to add one more time. We will add 1 seed bead, 1 monty and 1 seed bead. This is the center part of our earring. So we are adding here monty with 2 seed beads, silver seed beads, as we added in first box. Now we are adding in middle box of our earring. Center of our earrings middle box we are adding 1 monty total four total with four seed beads, silver seed beads. In this way you can see we have completed Monty's addition with seed beads, and now we are adding one more time 3 crystal 4 beads, passing through previous crystal bead, and in this way we have created one more crystal beads box. And now in this box we will add Monty with silver seed bead etoes as we added before to our earrings. 2 boxes we added, and now in third box we are adding Monty with 4 seed bead. We have to add it. This is the lower part of our earring, and this is the last third box of earring. We have to add 1 seed bead both sides, and total 2 seed beads we will add here in the lower box of our ring. After making it, we will make some knots on back and we will trim the extra thread. In this way we will complete our beading process. And now we are adding earring wire between 4 seed beads, silver seed beads. We have added earring wire, and in this way we have completed our today's earrings project. This is complete. Here is the final look. I hope you would like the color combinations. So don't forget to watch these videos and pics which I made especially for my lovely viewers in start of my projects video, and at the end of my tutorial video I upload these pics and videos of my project. So don't forget to watch, don't skip please. I made all these videos and pics only for my lovely viewers. I hope today's project you would like to make for yourself. I will say bye now. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.